How much should you actually spend on a 60-gallon air compressor? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Clutch 29-gallon air compressor. First up is the Clutch 29-gallon air compressor. At $349.99, this model stands out with its powerful 2.5 HP motor. If you're looking for reliable performance in a portable package, this is worth a serious look. This means you can run multiple tools without a hitch, whether you're nailing, painting, or inflating tires. Plus, it's designed to be maintenance-free with an oil-free pump, so you won't have to worry about those messy oil changes. With over 600 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, you can trust that many people are satisfied with its performance. Now, some people complained about its size, saying it's a bit bulky for tight spaces. Here's the thing though, if you need serious power for a workshop or garage, the trade-off is worth it. This compressor is built to tackle heavy-duty tasks. This is perfect for you if you're a serious DIYer or a professional needing reliable air power. Skip this one if you have limited space or just require light, occasional use. For the price, it offers excellent value. Now, if the size of the clutch bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Clutch 20-gallon air compressor. Next, we have the Clutch 20-gallon air compressor priced at $299.99. This model offers a solid performance with a 2 HP motor that caught my eye. If you want something a bit more compact without sacrificing quality, this is worth a serious look. With an airflow capacity of 5.2 cubic feet per minute, this compressor can handle a variety of tasks like automotive work or DIY projects. Plus, it features a splash oil-lubricated pump for durability, making it suitable for both professionals and weekend warriors. However, some users mention that the recovery time could be slower than expected. But I think it's manageable if you plan your work effectively. A little patience goes a long way. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable compressor for home projects or light professional use. Skip this one if you're doing heavy-duty work that requires quicker recovery times. Overall, it's a solid value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability. Product number 3, VEVOR 13-gallon air compressor. Coming in next is the VEVOR 13-gallon air compressor, priced at $220.90. It's a compact option with a 2 HP motor that surprised me with its performance. If you're looking for something that's easy to transport, this is worth a serious look. Why this matters for you specifically: it boasts a 4.6 SCFM at 90 psi and can fill its tank in under 3 minutes. So if you're on a tight schedule, this compressor won't hold you back. Plus, it operates at a quiet 66 dB, making it excellent for indoor use without disturbing everyone around. Now, some folks found it underpowered for more demanding tasks, and I can see why that might frustrate someone working on bigger projects. But if you need something for light to moderate tasks, it's a great fit. This is perfect for you if you need a portable compressor for home repairs, painting, or tire inflation. Skip this one if you're gearing up for heavy-duty applications. The price makes it a steal for what you get. Now, if the VEVOR's power level makes you nervous, the next product ups the ante. Product number 4, VEVOR 3.7 HP air compressor motor. Next on the list, we have the VEVOR 3.7 HP air compressor motor, priced at $159.90. This motor caught my attention for its power and versatility. If you're looking to upgrade or repair your compressor system, this is worth a serious look. The heavy-duty construction means it's built to last, ensuring you won't be replacing it anytime soon. Plus, it offers dual rotation directions for easier installation, which is a godsend for DIY enthusiasts. However, some users mention difficulty with installation due to lack of detailed instructions. I'll be real with you, this can be a hassle, especially for those less experienced with electrical components. But if you're comfortable with DIY projects, it's worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking to build or repair your own compressor system. Skip this one if you want a ready-to-use compressor out of the box. It offers solid value for a robust motor. Now, if the installation complexity is a concern for you, the next product may appeal more to your needs. Product number 5, VEVOR5 HP SPL Air Compressor Motor. Finally, we have the VEVOR5 HP SPL Air Compressor Motor, priced at $165.99. This model impressed me with its horsepower and reliability. If you need a strong motor for serious work, this is definitely worth your attention. Why this matters for you specifically: with 5 HP and a robust design, it's perfect for high-demand applications. Plus, it's CSA certified, so you know it meets safety standards, which is a big plus. That said, some users reported issues with the fan noise being louder than expected. Here's the thing: if you need a motor for a quiet workshop, this may not be the best fit. But if you're after power, it's an excellent choice. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable motor for heavy-duty use. Skip this one if noise is a major concern for your workspace. Considering its power-to-price ratio, it's a great investment for serious projects. Now, let's wrap this up and see how these all stack up. So there you have it. We've covered the clutch 29-gallon, clutch 20-gallon, VEVOR 13-gallon, VEVOR 3.7 HP motor, and VEVOR 5 HP motor. Each has its strengths, whether you need portability, power, or reliability. Whatever you choose, make sure it fits your specific needs to get the best bang for your buck.